Sensitise your intelligence.
What has intelligence and sensitivity to do with astrology?
Okay, I will explain. The subject of astrology is being looked only from the point of view of knowing the future. This is certainly a very narrow and limited way of approaching the subject. In fact, although the study of future is inbuilt in the system, there are excellent benefits in applying astrology to our present situation.
How does the present situation matter?
Yes, the present situation certainly matters. Technology has crept into every area of life. Everyone is on the run for money. Call it a rat race. In the most competitive and complex situation that we are already in, we need to leverage all God-given resources, including astrology, intelligently and derive the best possible results. There we are.
Can you please explain sensitivity and intelligence?
This is a good question. Now it is time to understand sensitivity and intelligence distinctly. Aesthetic abilities or aesthetic intelligence is the pleasure that we derive from perceiving an object or experience through our senses. Sensitivity towards visual beauty, people, places, and one's environment is a common characteristic of intelligent people. Why intelligence and sensitivity go hand in hand? Every moment, mind is acquiring data from our senses: temperature, thirst, hunger, balance, fatigue, energy levels, and much more besides. Your mind is busy sensing mental events, thoughts, images, fantasies, memories. Your mind also has the busy task of processing the data from all these senses. With good senses, you have high sensitivity. If you are sensitive, you have much more information to process than your average person. Maybe your sensitivity led you developing higher processing powers, your high intelligence.
Can you please comment on how you will analyze intelligence through astrology?
This question is welcome, and here we go. Let us now bring the planets in astrology to the scene. Planet Mercury depicts human intelligence, and mind is depicted by moon. Mercury is the closest planet to Sun, and it will always be in the vicinity of Sun and never goes beyond 18 degrees from Sun. If it often gets retrograde because of the extreme cosmic influence of Sun. Mercury is also called as the messenger of God, and apart from depicting our intelligence, it is a planet to give communication skills. Thus, intelligence and communication skills can be bracketed together. With these inherent qualities, it has to fetch material prosperity. Let me mention that Mercury owns the third sign Gemini and sixth sign Virgo of the zodiac. Thus, third represents communication and sixth represents finance. Let me remind that I have already mentioned that sensitivity and intelligence go hand in hand, and if this is in good proportion, then material prosperity is the outcome. Now comes the role of mind, that is moon. Moon, or the mind, is the engine of our life. As long as mind is receptive, it is possible to improve our sensitivity and intelligence together. With this briefing, I hope you appreciate sensitive astrology against sensational astrology, just for predictions. Your birth chart, though useful, is static, and of course, we get general idea about the level of intelligence, memory, etc. However, Vedic Prashna Kundali is dynamic and it is a real-time chart. I get out-of-the-box ideas from the planetary position right at the time of analyzing your question. For every question, I cast a distinct and dedicated Prashna Kundali. Answer to each and every question will be analyzed taking into account multiple bhavas related to the same question. This is just amazing and possible only in Vedic Prashna Kundali. To sum up, the position of Moon and Mercury and the influence of other planets and particularly Mars in birth chart and Vedic Prashna Kundali is sure to give excellent insight to sensitize intelligence, which will open up new avenues to prosperity and creativity as well.
Can you please share tips for the viewers to improve sensitivity?
Yes, truly. Here are some tips to improve sensitivity. Don't assume that you are right. Be willing to grow. Accept your mistakes. Don't be afraid of failure. Be persistent. Think positively. Build self-esteem outside your career activities. For example, teaching, joining some association, getting involved in some cause. View aging positively. While young people only use one side of their brains to accomplish tasks, older people can use both sides. Knowledge and experience, both put together, leads to wisdom. Sensitivity is the most elegant kind of intelligence. Namaste.